What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me on yet another episode here of Living in El Paso, in the space where we talk about all things geared around living in El Paso, lifestyle, what exactly you should be looking out for when you're considering relocating, or maybe you're just in the market and you're looking to get educated, whether it's buying in El Paso or in another market. We got you covered. We have trusted partners throughout the United States that we can recommend you to connect with. Now, with that being said, today we're going to be looking at an exclusive home out in West El Paso. This property, when I tell you it is stunning, I mean, just wait till you guys see the full tour. I mean, you can already see the background. It is just beautiful. We have a client that is relocating into El Paso, and this property turned up on their list. However, if you do happen to like something similar, do not worry. There's more options that we can choose from. This home is listed for $1.6 million. It is a 4-bedroom, 5-bath, over 4,000 square feet. It is in a massive lot. There's also a bonus casita in the back with an extra kitchen, an additional bedroom, additional bathroom. However, the builder has agreed to remove that and drop that out of the sales price, so that this way, if that is something you don't want and you just maybe want to put a pool back there, you can do that. And when you see the backyard, you'll see what I'm talking about. Now, with that being said, in the rest of the playlist that we're gonna list down below, we're gonna try and give you more details about the neighborhoods in El Paso. I know for a lot of our clients that are relocating, they want to know more about the differences in neighborhoods of what maybe you get access to living in the West Side versus living in East El Paso. So that is going to be what we're going to be covering. So if any of that catches your attention, I am looking forward to hearing your thoughts. If you have any feedback, feel free to list them down below. Again, with that being said, this space is supposed to be a positive space. So for my negative Nancy's, I know I've seen it in other videos. The price is so outrageous and who would ever pay that in El Paso? I do have clients that are looking in these price points. However, we work with clients at every price point. So if you are maybe looking at something different and you're like, Alexa, I mean, this is my price point, or I want to look at what exactly I could purchase with what I want to pay monthly, we can talk about that. So with that being said, let's get into the video.